Wait a minute, okay.
Hi everybody, Charlene and I are here to show you 2 exercises of the week this week. I'm going to be doing a Bosu ball arm circuit, which is going to target your biceps, shoulders, and triceps. And a little bit later, Charlene's going to be doing lunges on the ball. So all you need to do my Bosu ball circuit is a Bosu ball and a set of 5-pound weights. And if you find 5-pound weights too heavy, there are always these 2.5-pound weights. Now let me show you how to hold these, because a lot of people think to hold them with their fingers through. Now they find that's not comfortable. Just slip your thumbs right through the holes. It's a little bit more comfortable. So, to start the circuit, just step on the Bosu ball. It's important to have good core strength here, so really pull that belly button to your spine. Stand nice and tall. Okay, first thing you want to do is you're going to work bicep curls. Keep your elbows as high as your shoulders. Okay, keep your core strong the whole time. You're going to be wobbly. Now all you're going to do here, arms straight out. Just curl in. Now notice my elbows are staying a fixed point. What I'm not doing is I'm not using any swinging motions. My elbows are staying nice and still. Do about 15. Once you're done 15, I want you to isolate one arm up at a 90-degree angle and continue to curl with the other arm. Okay? Do about 10 on each arm. Switch. Isolate the other arm. Stay nice and still. Remember, keeping the core in. And 10. Okay, so that's your bicep circuit. Next, we're going to work shoulders. Shoulders, keep your arms. I call it the touchdown position. And just press right up, right above the head. Come back down to the 90 degrees. Press right up, back down. A couple of things you don't want to be doing here, okay? You don't want to be arching back. You want to stay nice and strong and tall. Trying to keep everything, ears, shoulders, hips, knees, ankles in a straight line. Okay, do about 15 shoulder presses. After 15 shoulder presses, you want to come here, get a little bit lower for a little bit more balance. Keep your elbows in tight, like they're nailed to your sides. You want to come over to the side and get the view here. You're going straight back. My elbows stay in tight. 90 degrees to a straight line, 90 degrees to a straight line. This is going to target the triceps. Okay? Now that is your arm circuit. Now, could you do this on the floor? Yes, you absolutely can. If all 3 Bosu balls are used, you can do this circuit on the floor. It will really target the arms, but we want to also target the core, so add a little instability to it.
Okay, now we're going to lower body, and we're using the ball. So we're going to use our lunge exercise, which is everything in your lower body, so front of your thigh, back of your thigh. Sometimes you feel your calf and your glutes. With the ball, we're actually having the ball behind us, and we're going to put the front part of our shin on, ankle shin area. What's important is that our hips stay squared to the direction that you're facing, right? And you're staying upright. With the lunge, you want to think the ball goes directly behind you. You're doing a single leg squat, basically in the front leg. So you want to press back, watch this knee, make sure your knee stays over your ankle, pull up nice and tall so everything's locked in through your core. So it's a nice controlled motion. Don't forget to do both sides. Go switch. So again, when you switch, make sure you are squared off. You're sitting up nice and tall. You start tall and you end tall. So you sit back, pull up. Some options would be to hold hand weights to add some resistance. You can actually add a little bit more upper body movement to it, which increases your balance challenge. We'll be doing those, team, soon.